To tell it in one sentence, we are focused our mission in the global democratization of early detection and monitoring of SIRUs. SIRUs are water-like fluid infections. Actually, our innovation is a first-in-class medical device. So we are able to count white blood cells at a single cell level, non-invasively, rapidly, and on real time. The main point is that we use artificial intelligence, and because of this, our device can work automatically, empowering the healthcare providers to make rapid life-saving decisions. Yes, at the moment we are entering in the market, so this will be the biggest goal for the next months, to enter in the market with one of our main applications, which will be the prevention of dialysis-related peritonitis. And of course, with this, we want to call more attention and confidence through other investors to invest in Kriba, so we can also bring to the market our other solutions. Basically, I'm referring to meningitis and uveitis infection. I think it is a mutual connection, and it is a key for the success of our company, because we can speak with experts and we can learn from other companies who are in a much developers, more closer to the market than us, and we can learn from experts. But also we are in a point that we are entering the market, and for sure others can also learn from us. We are always eager to connect, and the park is amazing in that sense, because you create events like Coffee Connection, PC Beers, or the influencers meetings, and these are great activities for us to get in touch, to learn and share with each other.